Hi friends, this is the second video of the free sessions covering the basic hands-on operation for the Roland FP-80 digital piano. In this session, I'm going to talk about the commonly used functions. Let's get started. To use the transpose feature, we shift the pitches of the songs. We use the transpose button on the right side. Let's say that we want to play a song in D major using the fingering of C major. The fastest way to do it is to hold on to the transpose button and then we hit D. On the display, it says transpose with the number 2 on there. Let's try playing something here. So if I turn off transpose and I play the same notes that I played before, we'll get back to the C key. So this is how we use transpose. When you want to play two tones together for the same note, it's called do play. Let's say that I want to play both the piano and the strings instruments together. I just need to press on both buttons together. Now, line 1 on the display shows you the leftmost selected tone instrument. Line 2 shows you the rightmost selected tone instrument. To change tone 1 instrument, use the plus or minus sign. To change tone 2 instruments, use the rightmost tone button, hold on to it, and then use the plus or minus sign. Let's play something here. Now you can change the balance of the tones too. You hold on to one of the tone buttons, and then you press the leftmost two buttons, which on the top sets balance. Once I press it, you see a dual balance screen, shows you tone 1 is now 9-3, which is a 3-1 proportion to tone 2. Now, if we stretch it and move it to 1-9, the strings will be much stronger. Let's try it. For the split function, the default split point is on the F sharp, which is F sharp 3. And to enable it, you press the split button. And you see the two instruments being shown. The right hand instrument, to change that, you use the plus or minus sign. Let's say that I'm picking up Dreamy Piano again. To change the left hand side instrument, you hold on to the split button, press the tone that you want, and pick using the plus or minus sign. Now, if we are playing this note, and then you hear that from F sharp and on, it becomes orchestra string. Now, you can change the split point too by holding on to the split button and press the key you want to change it to. Let's say that I want to change it to B3. So, if I do that, from there and on, and then you see that the B key and down below will be orchestra string instead. To turn it off, just press split again. In order to record a song, we have to first pick the format. Let's try it. We hold on and press the record button, and then we hit the minus sign, shows SMF, which means it's a MIDI file. You press the plus sign, shows audio, which is a WMV file you can save to your USB key only. So now we want to save it as a MIDI file. So we press the left side, and then it shows SMF. It will be recorded as a MIDI file later on. We press the record button will light up, the start stop button will flash, and once you press start, we are ready to play and record the song. Now we can wait a little bit after the text actually stops to play the song. So we press stop. Once we are done, you can replay the song. See, actually it doesn't need to wait for the empty spaces that we have wait to start playing the song. So you can stop anytime. Now on the screen it says erase or save. And then we can either erase it if you don't like it or save it. Now, don't press the save button, which is the right arrow. Use the save as metronome, which is the only way you can change the name of the song. So just be careful that you use the save as. Now, you can select USB memory and or favorite. I press the my sign. I want to save it to my favorite. I press the right arrow. I've already got 3 songs on this piano, so it says 4 empty. So you press the right arrow again. So song 004. So when you want to change the name, so this is the only time that you can do it. So to change the character, use a plus or the minus sign to pick the character you want to use. So it is quite a tedious job, but if you hold on to the plus or minus buttons, it gets you faster to what you want to select, whether it's a character, a symbol, or a number. So let's do that. So we know what we're recording. So the song number probably doesn't matter. So I'm going to erase the 004. So all the name editing will be similar, which is the arrow keys for moving the cursor and the plus or minus key to change the character. Alright, so we are done. So now we can finally execute, which is metronome. You hit metronome. So it's saved. And now you see on the screen it says favorite 4, which is song number 4, and it's happy birthday. So you can replay it here now too. So I'm not going to replay the whole thing. Now you know how to record. So hopefully this helps and you can copy the song later on too. To play an existing song is quite trivial. Press the song button and then you will see on the display, it will show you either a favorite, maybe on your USB, there's some songs that you have recorded, and or there's some predefined songs. So you see preset songs, Midsummer. So there are a few of those. And if you press the minus key, you see that I have a few other songs recorded in here, and also some on my USB memory. So earlier we have recorded number 4 HP, so you can play too if you're trying to recall what you recorded before. So this is how you play a song. So after session 2 now, I think you guys already got a lot of the basics for playing the piano. In session number 3, I'll also go and cover what is called registration and registration set. Hope to see you again. Take care, enjoy the music.